like the speed of sound. He can keep on the ground. Can't stay in one place. Keep moving like a...
Hey guys, Golden Gear Tech here. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to connect your PlayStation 2 to the internet via the network adapter for the fat PS2. The things you'll need are the PS2 console itself, the fat PS2, a network adapter, and an Ethernet cord, and a screwdriver, or if you don't have a screwdriver, you can use like a penny or something, which I'll grab quick. Hold on. Alright, so I got my nickel actually, and let's see if it fits. Yep. Alright, so the first thing you want to do is to unplug everything from your PS2 to make sure that you don't get a little shock or it doesn't fry the PS2. So you want to make sure your power is off, unplugged, and even your AV cable, I guess, can be unplugged. Take all the USBs out. Yeah, just make sure everything's unplugged. Next thing you want to do is take your network adapter. If you just have it, if you just got it, there's going to be a little plastic thing right here. You just want to take that off. And then you want to tip your PS2 to the back, pry off this little expansion bay cover, and then just line up the connectors with your network adapter and your PS2. So make sure that's on there good. Alright, now the next thing you want to do is just these two screws right here. You just want to screw those in with your nickel or your quarter or whatever you're using. You don't want to screw them too tight, just snug them up a little, because otherwise you'll probably wreck the screw or something like that, and you actually need these screws to be able to keep the network adapter connected to the back of the PS2. So I'm just going to get those screwed on all the way. I don't know why this one's taking so long. It's a weird angle to screw these in too. Alright, so then finally what you want to do after that is take your Ethernet cable or your dial-up cable, whichever one you're using. I'm using the Ethernet one, and you just want to plug it into the back of the PS2 and then plug it into your wall or wherever. I don't have a port near me right now, but yeah, you should just plug it into the wall, and then after that you can plug everything back in, turn your on switch back on, and you're ready to play. You can slide in the network startup disc. I borrowed mine to my cousin, so I don't have it right now, but yeah, you just slide that in and set it up on your PS2. It's pretty straightforward. It has good instructions on it and everything, and yeah, so that's basically it. Thanks for watching, and I hope you helped you out, and I'll see you in another video.